In this episode, tensions are rising.
I'm finished here.
We install some spacers, and we have some fun in the GT86.
I don't know if you guys remember, there was, I think, one of the first episodes we've done. Myself, actually, I was going to pick up our jack that we've ordered months ago, and we still haven't got it since. So now, I think like 3 months later, they told us that they have our jack, so we are going to collect it now from the main depot. Okay, let's see how that goes. We're gonna have to cut around the edges and the bottom, and then just it gives us a bit more extra room, you know, to fly around. Jesus, see what I've missed? Mr. Hook. He's right there.
Captain Hook?
Sorry, I meant to say Captain Hook. Did I say Mr. Hook? Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Hashtag Mr. Hook. Actually, look at the peanut. That's what I looked at. With the little photo. Oh, peanut. Peanut. No, not pedo, man. No, Pinot head. Peanut. Pinot head? Yeah, sure. Let's go with the Pinot head. Pinot head. Is that Dope Monkey Garage? Because I'm ready for it. Well, we're not only called the Dub Monkey Garage, we actually have a monkeys in the house. Monkeys in the house.
Mr. Monkey.
Yes.
Mr. Dub Monkey.
Mr. Dub Monkey here, that's me.
Come and tell the boys and girls what to do.
Guys, Now, if you want to see more monkeys around the Dub Monkey Garage, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It should be somewhere down below here. And if you see that, you're gonna hit that button. Hit that bell as well while you're so important, like, you know, we really want to grow. We really want to make a better videos than the videos that we already make. So you can think about our videos are an absolute class legends already as it is, and we only done 4 so far. So think about it, what's going to happen when we get more subs. There'll be more videos, and that's the truth. Whew. Right, let's paint. I'm sweating, I'm taking that mask off. By the way.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
I was worried actually. I'll tell you what got me lovely was the fact when I walked in here, you were gone. I was like, Evan. Then I was like, he's gonna come up with something mad. And then I looked at your car and I realized the camera is gone. And I was like, holy crap. That's not like Evan. So I was just about to go and look for you. But you know, you're back here and all safe. So get your arse in here because we're just painting. Just a brush. So.
Yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Oh my. Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision in the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought. Ayy, on this day is cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the feet, I get 50 to my G. Ayy. Hey. Cause this shit is real.
Stand. I'm not gonna, I promise you, I'll take it. Let's go.
Go again now. Now that I trust you, go again.
I swear I can do it.
Go, Karate Kid, go!
You can. Go!
Oh, me grind! Sorry? I'm gonna grab a brake because I do not trust the handbrake on that car. And I'm gonna grab a brake. I have to. Did you see this? Like she is. No, it's not right. And the handbrake is all the way up, you know. Now here, trying to save us with our best friend. See, you can depend on everybody, but if you're in the hard times, you know, and you don't know what to do, just grab a brake. So, what the hell are the brakes? I don't want to talk about it. I really don't want to talk about it.
Lucas, I have a question for you.
I told you I don't want to talk about it.
How useful is a drift car without a handbrake?
It's like driving a daily car with no wheels, pretty much. So before you do any, I've started the arse way the whole project. I should have just fixed my handbrake first before I touched anything, you know. But no, what I've done, I've decided to spend 150 quid trying to spray the wheels instead of just fix something that is really, really essential. And now, here, really? I don't want to talk about it. I'm finished here. I haven't stopped, but I'm so upset about it that I have to keep using epoxy brake.
If you plop.
Yeah. Right. Let's do this.
Ah. Guys, I'll let you in on a little secret what happened here. Lukas stood on it to tighten up his wheel nuts. That's why they're on so tight and won't come back off.
Let's see my little friend. See if my little friend is gonna. Learn something new every day. Awesome. Hi guys, welcome back to Dub Monkey Garage. In today's episode, we are gonna do something really cool, but I'm not gonna share that with you just yet. What I want you to do for us, we are gonna be super grateful if you're just gonna subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and give us a comment down below as well. If you have any ideas for our incoming videos, please just comment down below because we would love to hear your feedback, guys. But for now, let me move on to what we're going to do today in today's episode. So as you know, after me installing the coilovers, on our BMW E46 drift budget car, my wheels were rubbing off the arches, so basically in order for me to sort this out, no, it wasn't fucking rubbing off the arches. What am I talking about? Duh! It was rubbing off the actual coilover, so I have to bring the actual wheel out, so we're after getting some spacers. These are 30mm spacers for BMW. The ratio is 5x120. If you want to get a spacers for your BMW car, there is only one actually. When I was getting the spacers itself, I came across a really important thing. There is two different models. I think E46. No, actually, no, that wasn't what I was going to say. Evan, you can't put that up. This is not going online, and you will not do that to me again. E39, it's the only one that actually doesn't fit the 5x120. It's a slightly different ratio, but if you have any other BMW, 5x120, it fits perfect. So we're gonna install them today on our car, and see how that goes. Normally they do say they recommend to use the hammer. I'm just gonna use my hand. That should just do the job. Read in. Bang. See that? Perfect. Oh shit, look at that. Oh no way, I can't believe it. What the hell was that doing there?
Where the fuck was that?
Do you know who done that? Last time when Trevor was painting the calipers, I think he put something behind because he didn't want to overspray it, and I didn't realise it was there. So I've been doing a couple of laps around a car park with this on it. Holy shit, how is that even possible? It's mad actually. I thought it was like you're seeing things, because I seen some great thing right behind my caliper and I was like, what the hell is there? And then I just pulled the fucking piece of cloth out. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
Face.
This is real. This is no joke.
No,
this isn't us fucking around. Like, this is real.
I can't believe it, that was actually there. I've just spotted it just a minute. I can't believe it, I was there.
What the fuck?
I better check all the wheels because probably there's a clot in every single one of these wheels and I just can't see it.
Probably.
Yeah. Let's test that for the first time. Wow, that is deadly. That's actually comfortable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is good.
Here's one here,
Is it pop clips or screws?
2 there, and 1, 2, 3 there. It's
They pop clips or screws, bro?
screws.
They're screws.
They're screws. So we have 1, 2 here, so 2 on each side and 3 on the bottom, and 1. They're pop ones here. So there's 3 pop screws at the front, 2 screws start on the side, and 3 on the at the back.
Hey, 20 bits.
Oh no!
Put your arms up, chicken wing.
Get the fuck out! Get out! Now guys, the next thing we're gonna do, I decided to take the under tray off the car just to make life a little bit easier if you want to jack up the car, because you have to keep on taking the thing off because there is no centerpiece as such. So yeah, we're gonna take the under tray off and just make life a little bit easier for ourselves here.
Oh my god.
I know, it's mad, isn't it?
This is what's under your under panel tray, innit?
It's actually not so bad here, to be honest. Oh my goodness.
That's perfect.
That's a good fit.